Hello friends! Welcome to this English listening practice video. Today, I will take you through a calm and productive day in my life. As you listen, repeat the sentences after me to practice your speaking. Let's begin. Morning routine. I wake up early in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. It's 6:30 a.m. The sky is still a little dark. I stretch my arms and sit up in bed. I open the window. The air is cool and fresh. I take a deep breath. The air is fresh and peaceful. I take a deep breath. Next, I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of warm water. Warm water helps me feel awake. I drink warm water every morning. It helps me feel fresh and awake. Then I brush my teeth. I wash my face. The cold water wakes me up. I take a short shower. The water is warm. I feel relaxed. After the shower, I wear clean, comfortable clothes. I take a shower and get dressed. At 7 a.m., I do some light exercise. I stretch my body. I move my arms and legs. I exercise for 15 minutes every morning. I feel good. My body feels ready for the day. Breakfast time. At 7:30 a.m., I make breakfast. Today, I eat oats with fruits and a spoon of honey. I also make a cup of black tea. I like a healthy breakfast. Oats, fruits, and tea make a good breakfast. I sit by the window and enjoy my meal slowly. The birds are singing outside. I smile. It's a good morning. After breakfast, I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I always clean up after eating. Starting work. At 8 a.m., I start my work. I open my laptop. I check my emails. Some emails are short. Some emails are long. I reply to each one. Then, I look at my to-do list. Today, I have 5 things to do. I check my to-do list every day. I write down my tasks. From 9 to 10:30, I write an article. I enjoy writing. It helps me focus. At 10:30, I take a short break. I stand up, stretch, and walk around my room. I drink water and look out the window. Taking breaks is good for the mind. Learning time. At 11 a.m., I join an online class. The class is about communication skills. I listen to the teacher and take notes. I learn new words every day. I practice my speaking skills. In class, we talk about body language. We also learn how to speak clearly. I practice with my classmates. It's fun. At 12 o'clock, the class ends. I feel happy. Lunchtime. At 1 p.m., I eat lunch. Today, I made vegetable noodles with some tofu. The food is warm and full of flavor. I enjoy eating homemade food. I sit on the balcony. The weather is nice. The breeze is soft. I hear birds in the trees. I eat slowly and enjoy the moment. After lunch, I wash the dishes. Then, I rest for a few minutes. Sometimes I read. Sometimes I just sit quietly. Afternoon activities. At 2 p.m., I tidy up my room. I organize my desk and clean the floor. A clean space helps me think clearly. Then, I work for 2 more hours. I reply to messages, plan my week, and write a blog post. I stay focused and don't check my phone. At 4 p.m., I take a short walk outside. I go to the park near my home. The trees are green. Children are playing. I sit on a bench and breathe deeply. Walking helps me relax. I enjoy peaceful walks. Evening routine. At 6 p.m., I return home. I prepare dinner. Tonight, I make rice, lentils, and some salad. The food smells good. While cooking, I listen to soft music. It makes me feel calm. At 7 p.m., I eat dinner. I feel thankful for this meal. I am grateful for the food I have. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Then I light a candle in my room. Nighttime. At 8 p.m., I relax. I make a cup of chamomile tea. I sit down with my journal. I write about my day. What did I do today? What made me smile? What can I improve tomorrow? I write in my journal every night.